Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of no matches on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, we go to this page of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, we go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of Tinder. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.